Hello, I am Karen, Solutions Manager from Blue Ocean Data Solutions. Today I would like to share with you the benefits of Smart Lab system implementation for your organizations.
Calibration is a process to verify measuring instruments to make it more precise and reduce the bias in an instrument's readings. The goal of calibration is to minimize any measurement uncertainty by ensuring the accuracy of test and measuring instrument. In manufacturing industry, instrument used for process and quality control should be calibrated at multiple points across its working range to ensure reliable information and trusted data being collected. Failure to calibrate or improper calibration may cause serious quality issue, customer complaint, customer claim, injury, death and even major environmental disasters. The instrument for calibration may categorize according to various applications such as humidity and temperature, pressure, mechanical and electrical. Traditionally, calibration lab management consists of manual planning and scheduling, work order distribution, calibration execution, document verification, work order closure, calibration certificate verification and paper archiving. Typically, calibration lab management process is very tedious and time-consuming. Most of the processes are done manually through spreadsheet. Calibration traceability involves plenty hard copy file searching and reference. Traditional management of calibration lab may lead to human error, wrong calculation on measurement uncertainty, too much paperwork, status tracking difficulties and risk of non-compliance due to traceability and violate customer and international requirement. Smart Lab is specially designed for handling of complex calibration lab operation. This is a proven solution to simplify and increase productivity of traditional calibration lab management. Smart Lab is designed to comply with ISO 17025 requirements. Smart Lab consists of many modules which include calibration recall, quotation issuing, receiving of customer instrument, calibration process, due generation, and delivery status tracking. It also includes calibration master management such as calibration due date monitoring, alert and traceability. Smart Lab has real-time interactive dashboard which provide management instant information on entire calibration operation. This enable management to take quick action if abnormality is detected. Smart Lab involves cloud computing technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics and mobile technology. Smart Lab could generate significant benefits such as better operation control, standardization of the calibration process, higher productivity, eliminates human error and auto-generation of calibration certificate and related reports.
After implementing Smart Lab, our productivity has increased significantly and better customer satisfaction. Allow management instant decision and trigger action. And lower operation cost.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.